Yeah. Okay. So yeah, these are often challenging for students. So I say that to not discourage you, but encourage you to really apply yourself and work hard. You can master these, but it does take some strong effort. So we start with the parentheses. Always start here, right? So what I'm going to do is I made two of these on purpose so that I can. I want to just do the parenthesis part here. And then over here, I'll do the whole rest of the problem, put the whole answer together. So this first part is going to be just these are hard enough that I think they're worth breaking into two parts. So I'm just going to do the parentheses first off. Just, forget about this right now. Just going to do A union the complement of B. You know that bar means opposite of B, not B, complement of B. So I'm going to take A united with B complement. Well, here's what I suggest. I've found this is a helpful thing for students over the years, is if you just do them one at a time. What I mean is, here's A. This is circle A, right? A lot of this is helping yourself focus in on one set at a time. So there's circle A. There it is. So what are we going to do with that? We're going to put A, 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 A. I put A's in all of circle B. Sorry, all of circle A. That was a goofy thing to say. All right, we good so far? And then I'm going to do not B, opposite of B, outside. This means outside of B, doesn't it? It's the complement of B, the opposite of B. Here's B. So can you see the regions that are outside of B? 1, 4, 7, and 8, right? You see that? Outside of B are regions 1, 4, 7, and 8. Those are outside of B. So I'm going to go B bar, B bar, B bar, and B bar. So I just put B bar in all those regions outside of B. Those are all regions outside of B. B complement outside of B. Okay, so now what are we going to do from here? We're supposed to unite. We're supposed to unite. So what's the union going to be? What's going to be all of these, including even the outside. Right? I'm supposed to unite together. That's what they said. They said united. United with everything outside. So I took everything, all those regions together and united them, which is everything except for 3 and 6, isn't it? So I united everything with A in it with all the B bars, all the complement of B's. Okay, so that's all that united. Now I'm going to bring that answer over here, and I'm going to call it P for parentheses, because that's just the parenthesis answer, isn't it? That's just the parenthesis answer. I'll remove this now. So that's just the parenthesis answer. So I'm going to go, okay, what's the parenthesis answer? It's here, here. It's everything except for 3 and 6. So on the first Venn diagram, I just did the parentheses. I started with the parentheses as always, and I actually made it a whole separate Venn diagram. Got the clear answer to the parentheses, and I bring it over. And then I put P for parenthesis. This has helped students over the years because it's hard. I've noticed it's hard for students to deal with all 3 letters at once. Well, this allows you to only deal with 2 at a time, right? I dealt with the first 2 over here, got the answer for the first 2, the parentheses, bring it over, and now I'm going to treat the whole parentheses as just one letter, P. P for parentheses. This is the parentheses solution right here, right? So I bring it over. Now, let's also put C in there. Where does C go? Well, you know, here's circle C. So C is going to be here, 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 and here. Are we good there? That's all of circle C, isn't it? So I put P for parenthesis answer everywhere that was shaded over here, all the outside here, 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 everywhere but 3 and 6. And then I put the C in all of C. Now, what's my final answer going to be? Well, it says here, this is overlap. So this is the overlap where you have both P and C. It's the overlap or intersection where you have both P and C. So where's that? Here, here, and here. And that's it. So the answer is, they want you to list them down here. 4, 5, and 7. They say no spaces. Kind of weird, huh? No commas, no spaces, no nothing. Just 4, 5, 7. Those are the answer regions. We're done. So in the end, I had to do overlap, right? Where there's both P and C, which is just 4, 5, and 7.